The 2025 Dacia Logan continues its legacy as a budget-friendly and reliable sedan that delivers more than just affordability. This latest model has been subtly redesigned to offer a more modern appearance while keeping the core values intact: practicality, efficiency, and value for money. Dacia has taken a thoughtful approach with the 2025 Logan, making it ideal for first-time car buyers, families on a budget, or anyone seeking dependable daily transportation without compromising on essential features, starting with the exterior. The 2025 Logan receives a refreshed front fascia that includes a sleeker grille design with the updated Dacia logo and sharper-looking LED headlights that add a more dynamic character to the vehicle. The front bumper is more sculpted, contributing to a stronger road presence. At the rear, the taillights adopt a new light signature. The overall bodywork features cleaner lines and better aerodynamics. It's still unmistakably Logan, but the design evolution gives it a more refined and contemporary look. Depending on the trim level, alloy wheels and body-colored mirrors are also available, adding a premium touch for a very affordable price. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Logan offers a surprisingly comfortable and practical layout. While it's not aiming to compete with premium sedans, the interior materials are of good quality for the segment. The dashboard design is simple and intuitive, with a central infotainment system that's easy to use. Higher trims come with an 8-inch touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and USB ports. The controls are laid out logically, making them user-friendly even for older drivers or those new to digital interfaces. Physical knobs for climate control are retained, which is a practical touch. Seating comfort is decent, with fabric upholstery offered as standard. Front seats provide adequate support for short to medium journeys, while rear passengers benefit from improved legroom compared to previous models. The boot space remains one of the strong points of the Logan, offering around 528 liters of luggage capacity, which is among the best in its class. There's also decent interior storage with multiple cup holders, door bins, and a center console. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Dacia Logan is offered with a range of fuel-efficient petrol engines. The most common option is a 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that produces around 90 horsepower, which is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission depending on the market, while not designed for performance. Driving, the Logan delivers smooth and predictable handling in urban environments and on highways. The steering is light, making city driving easy, and the suspension does a good job absorbing bumps and potholes. For those concerned about fuel efficiency, the Logan does not disappoint. It offers excellent fuel economy figures, the base petrol engine delivering approximately 20 to 22 kilometers per hour, making it one of the most economical options in the compact sedan segment. Some markets also offer a bi-fuel LPG variant, which further enhances the car's affordability and environmental appeal. Safety has also been improved in the 2025 Logan. Standard safety features now include multiple airbags, ABS, ESC, and emergency brake assist. Higher trims offer added features such as rear parking sensors, a rear-view camera, lane departure warning, and hill start assist. While it may not have all the cutting-edge ADAS tech found in more expensive cars, it delivers solid safety for everyday driving needs. Pricing remains one of the most attractive aspects of the 2025 Dacia Logan. In most European and developing markets, the base model starts at an estimated price of around 13,000 euros. With higher trims going up to 16,000 euros, this makes it one of the most affordable new cars you can buy today, without sacrificing the basics of comfort, efficiency, and practicality. For those looking for a reliable family car or a durable commuter vehicle, the Logan continues to be an unbeatable option. Overall, the 2025 Dacia Logan is a smartly updated sedan that brings small but meaningful upgrades to an already proven formula. It may not dazzle with luxury or power, but it wins with functionality, economy, and a price tag that's hard to beat in today's market. Whether you're a student, a small family, or a fleet buyer, The Logan proves that affordability and reliability can still go hand in hand in the modern automotive world.